Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some easy ways to tie your hairs. So first tie a ponytail, rotate the hairs, now tie it from the between and fold it like this. Now fix it on the sides using the hair bun pins like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs by dividing them into two parts. Make the plaits on each section of the hairs like this. Fix the plaits on the other side of the hairs as well. After that, we will fold them and fix them on the alternative sides using the hair clutches like this. Fix it properly and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs like this from both the sides and then rotate it upward and fix it using the hair clip. Now divide the hairs into three parts and fold them upward and fix it like this in each section of the clips. Tie them on the top and then fold it down like this. Fix it using the bun pin and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now roll the hairs upward and fix it using this bun pin. After that, tie the hairs on the top like this. Now fold it down and fix it using the hair bun pins like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this bun stick on the hairs. Roll the hairs around it like this and then fold it upward and fix it in a shape of a bun. Fix it properly. Now tie it from the sides and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now rotate the hairs like this from the downside. Fix it on the top as shown in the video and fix it using the hair clutches and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs as shown in the video. So you can tie it or just roll it using the fingers upward and fix it using the bun clip like this or the blunt clutches and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail and fix this bun stick on the hairs. Now roll it upward and fix it from the sides. Fold it and spread the hairs and then fix it using the bun pin and your hair bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now tie it upward in the half section of the ears. Now roll it down and fix it from the bottom. Fix the hairs inside it and put the hair clutch over it like this and your hair bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now divide the hairs and roll it like this. Now fold it upward and make a bun out of it. Fix it properly and put the hair clutch over it like this and your hair bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail from the sides on the back and then put the hair clutch. Now tie all the hairs together. After that, from the down, tie it from the between as well and fold it upward and fix it inside the hair clutch like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix the hairs upward and put the hair clutch like this. Now tie it from the top and the bottom and fix it by rolling it down like this and your bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this bun foam on the hairs. After that, spread the hairs around it like this and put the rubber band. Now take the hairs from the sides and then fold it like this and fix it using the rubber bands. Put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now take this bun making tool and fix it on the hairs. Now roll the hairs upward and fix it from the sides. Fold it and spread the hairs. Put the hair bun pin and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and then roll the hairs using this bun clutch like this. Fold it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.